Hello. Welcome to Conscious Mind Short Meditation. I'm Jordi. When you're ready, gently close your eyes, letting go of any lingering worries in your mind and direct your attention to your breath. For the first few breaths, simply notice the flow of air entering and leaving your body. Sense the coolness of the air as you inhale and the slight warmth as you exhale. There's nothing to fix or change here. Just observe. Each breath serves as an anchor, keeping you in the present moment and preventing your mind from wandering too far. Now, invite your breath to become a little more even. As you inhale, allow your abdomen and chest to expand, as though you are cherishing every sip of air that nourishes your body. As you exhale, let your muscles gently release tension with each wave of air flowing out. Each exhalation is an opportunity to let go of any stress, worries, or fatigue that may have built up throughout your day. If your mind begins to wander, perhaps recalling an old conversation, planning for tomorrow, or experiencing a sudden emotion, it's perfectly okay. Don't judge or try to chase these thoughts away. Instead, picture them as clouds drifting across the sky. Simply observe them, acknowledge their presence, and then allow them to pass. Eventually, gently bring your focus back to the breath. Shift your attention to the part of your body in contact with the floor or chair. Notice the pull of gravity and the support beneath you. Allow your body to release tension even more deeply. Relax the muscles in your face, forehead, and eyebrows. Then move down to your jaw. Notice if there are any areas in your body that remain tense, and invite them to soften with each breath out. Each time you spot an area of tension, exhale and let go a little more. continue directing your attention throughout your body, starting from the crown of your head, moving down to your neck, shoulders, arms, hands, chest, abdomen, and finally to your thighs, knees, calves, and feet. Offer your gratitude to your body for all it has done for you today. This body deserves love and care, no matter any perceived imperfections you believe it has. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, several inches inward, often referred to as the heart center. Imagine a warm light emanating from this space, spreading across your chest and radiating throughout your entire body. Allow this gentle, soothing warmth to embrace every part of you. From fleeting moods and emotions to any stress or tension, everything is worthy of being bathed in this unconditional, loving light. There's no need here to fix or eliminate any feeling. Acknowledge them as they arise and wrap them in that comforting glow. If you feel negativity, hurt, or fear, honor that they are here for a moment. Let the warmth soothe and gradually dissolve any barriers inside you. Notice how, instead of trying to chase them away, you give these feelings space to melt away peacefully on their own. When you feel prepared to conclude this meditation, begin by acknowledging the space around you again, the subtle sounds or stillness in your environment. Notice the texture of your clothing against your skin. Sense the air around you. Slowly start to move your fingers, toes, and gently rotate your wrists and ankles. As you open your eyes, preserve the sense of calm and mindfulness for a few extra moments, allowing your body and mind to gently integrate back into your surroundings. Finally, take a brief moment to thank yourself. You've dedicated time to nurturing inner peace, listening to your body and heart. How wonderful that you're prioritizing emotional and mental well-being. Carry this gentle energy with you through the day or into a peaceful night's rest. You deserve love, relaxation, and an experience of life infused with tranquility. Wishing you a peaceful day.